Okay, today we're looking at an ILVE UP48FWMPSS. This product from ILVE is an absolute tank as they've redesigned their burners to be the most reliable in the industry. So as we take a look at the top of this oven, the front left burner is at 25,000 BTU. Up here we have a 10,500 BTU. Here we have a 7,000 BTU. Here we have a 10,500 BTU. The griddle is removable, so this can be used as burners or as the griddle. Underneath this griddle, we have a 7,000 BTU and a 10,500 BTU burner. Right here on this front portion, we have a 25,000 BTU and a 10,500 BTU. An incredible amount of heat coming off of this ILVE. You definitely want to have a 1/2-inch gas line to supply this unit because anything smaller will not feed it enough gas to bring these burners to their full potential when you're running them simultaneously. As we take a look at these burners, you have your center burner and then you have your exterior burner ring. So with this even heat dispersion with the outer and inner ring, you're getting completely even heat in the pan. And the power specs for this unit, it is dual fuel. So we have a gas cooktop electric oven calling out for 240 volt electric with 40 amp service. And you can use this as an all burner unit as the griddle is removable, or set down the griddle for the versatility. So as we take a look at the unit, we notice that very nice self-closing oven doors. We have a rotisserie in both oven chambers. We have internal light. We also have digital clock and control. We also have their robust all metal knobs. It's a beautiful machine. It is coming to us from ILVE. Down here at the bottom, we have a drawer. You can either use this as storage or it can become a warming drawer. Contact us at kitchenfoundry.com to come in and take a look at this model. We're here for any questions you might have. Reach out to us through YouTube, through our questions, or give us a call, 949-275-4496.